Hey there! I have Makenzie with me today.
Hi.
She brought Uncle Ricky some Girl Scout treats,
Yay.
right?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So while she's here, we're gonna make something else, right?
Yeah.
What do you want to make?
We're gonna make grilled cheeses.
Ooh.
Oh, grilled cheese, and we're gonna use something unusual for it. We're gonna use the pizza oven. It's called Pizzazz Plus, and it's a rotating pizza oven. You might have seen us using that in some other videos. But we're going to try it with some grilled cheese, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. How many should we make?
Well, if we're gonna make one for my mom, one for Uncle Ricky, and one for you, and one for me, that would mean we'd need 8 pieces.
Okay. 8 pieces of bread. Go ahead. Get them out.
How long it's gonna take? I'm hungry.
He doesn't like to take a long time to cook anything around here, right?
Do we use this piece of bread?
Oh, no. Well, I'll feed them to the birds and the squirrels.
Okay.
And the deer. Yeah, there we go. You like your grilled cheese crunchy or
Soft.
soft? Okay. All right,
There.
let's get this out of here. Then we have the issue of cheese. What kind of cheese should we use? Look at all this. Pick out what you like.
Maybe this
Okay.
and American cheese.
Okay. So American, sharp. You want to use this one too?
Yeah.
This one's orange, and it's Cooper cheese.
Yeah.
We mix them all up. All right, and then to start with, we're gonna butter the bread. So we got some nice Land O'Lakes soft butter. We got some nice creamy butter here.
Land
Is it
O'Lakes,
soft
that's
enough?
good.
See if it's soft with the knife. Soft enough to spread?
Yep.
Okay. All right. So what I think is get a nice big scoop, okay? And then you can do those and I'll do these. And we'll just lightly spread it out. It'll start to melt a little bit. But we want to make it pretty covered because that's the part that gets crispy. Going okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then when you get... Hey, you're doing good. When you got it ready, just lay it down here and lay this one on top. Then they stay as a stack. Okay? And then butter that side. Get a lot on there so it stays nice and... You know what? We gotta make some for Uncle Ricky that have crunch to them.
Or you can just leave it on longer. That's what's good about that revolving oven. If you like it light, you take it off. If you like it darker, leave it on.
Alright,
We practiced with it.
I've never seen it.
doing good. Okay, so those two go together, right? And then here, I'll give you a start with this one.
Thank you.
Yep. And I'll start this stack over
I guess
here.
we could make peanut butter jelly or anything like this, right? Anything you like to toast.
Yeah.
We have parties every night at our house.
You have inventive
Why not? It's
snacks.
I think you're good.
pretty. You get discovered.
You're pretty too.
You're prettier.
All right, we'll spread it all out and
It's exciting.
use it up here.
Plug it in!
We're getting ready. We're getting ready. We got to assemble the sandwiches now. So the reason I do that stacks, don't worry, you can still get more messy, so that we can turn them and put the cheese on that side. Know what I mean? Jelly bean?
Yeah.
You're confusing me.
Oh, we want to get the cheese on the side that's not buttered. Okay. Here we go.
So does everyone want a mix of cheese?
This doesn't matter to me.
Mix up.
What?
All right, we'll do a mix. So when you put the cheese on, make sure that it goes all the way out to the edge. And it's okay if you want to like break it apart a little bit just to make sure it goes, covers the whole thing.
Yeah.
All right. Maybe you can start peeling a couple of those apart.
It's not working.
Not too good. Let's see. Let's Let's take a bigger
It's
section.
hard to do, isn't it?
Ripping.
Oh, I can't wait. First piece party.
Let's switch them around. All right. Well, these come apart much better. So on these, I would go like one here and a half here. Something like that. There you go. Oh, you're still doing yellow. Here we go. Yeah, you should make these for your dad one day. You can make them in a frying pan or on a griddle or something when he's sitting there waiting to eat them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'll go around and put a little topping on there with this sharp. Okay, we got a system going now.
Yeah.
All right, now we have to turn on that pizza oven.
Yeah. Can I have a little bit of
Oh,
this, please?
yes, please do. That's one of the privileges of being the cook. Right? Okay. All right, so do you want to bring the camera over to the other side?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Time to eat, right?
time to eat.
Almost.
Okay, so we're going to bring the cutting board over to the pizza oven. I call it a pizza oven, but it's a, what do we call it? It's a rotating pizza wheel. So I'll put the first part down. We're going to put the butter down first. We're going to make them like petals of a flower. And then you can take this and put the butter side up on top. No, put the butter up so that it's on the toaster side. Yeah, you got it. All right, now that's a sandwich. Okay, let's get this one down so it like balances a little bit. And then this one, put the butter side up. Butter up, buttercup. Okay, now, I guess I should have turned it first. There we go. Let's do the same thing here. And put that one right on. This one here.
Thank you.
Yep. Maybe we can sneak these little crumbles in here. Okay, doesn't that look pretty? All right, now we're going to plug it in. Remember where I showed you the timer was?
Yeah.
So turn the timer on to 20 minutes. All right, 20 minutes. Now we're going to set this so the lower and the upper burners.
Right. There is falling.
Right. And see, it's in the center position. So that means we're going to have some heat coming from the bottom and the top, and this thing is going to be hot.
So don't touch it.
You got it. While it's still not too hot.
Maybe squeeze them down a little bit.
Yeah.
You can mention that.
Yeah, I'm going to take this and squish them down a little bit. And that way they'll toast faster in the middle too. They'll melt the cheese quicker. Okay. And you know how you're going to know where it's starting to melt the cheese? Well, this is going to start turning down and dripping. And that's okay if it gets on here, because then we're going to just peel it off and put it with the person's sandwich. Okay? Now we have to be patient. So we'll just keep an eye on it, and after it starts to melt a little, we're going to flip them over.
Okay.
Can't wait. Yay. Right?
Right. See the butter melting?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good sign.
It's kind of like liquid.
Yep. Good job putting them together.
Thank you.
All right, we'll get the plates ready and get ready to serve them up, okay? Okay. Okay, here we go. Show them what they look like.
Very quick.
They're starting to get a little crunchy on the edge.
You just hold it still.
What else do you see going on there? See any
The butter's melting a lot.
Yeah, and the cheese is starting
Yeah.
to drip down. See that? So let's see what the bottom looks like, just for a little peek. Is it getting brown?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll let it keep going until it gets a little more brown on top, okay?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, let's take a look now. They're starting to get a little brown. So
Yeah.
we're gonna, now I'll show you where the camera's focusing. Oh, right there. So if,
Here they are.
yeah, there they are. So let's see if we can get under the edge here. Alright, and turn it over.
Is it hot?
Oh yeah, but see, on the bottom side the cheese is melted a little bit more than on the top. So that's what we
It
want to...
smells very good.
Oh, that's the other thing, the smell, right? See if we get that a little more toasty there. I have to go fast while this wheel is spinning, right?
Yeah. Oh,
Hey, they're sticking together as planned. Okay,
Oh, they look
Kenzie,
good.
these are perfect right now, right?
yeah.
All right,
Very
so
perfect.
let's get them off. I'm going to take them over to the cutting board, okay? All right.
Do you want me to bring the cutting board over here?
No, because we're going to go over there and cut
yeah.
it in front of the camera and serve our guests, right?
Yep.
Woo, boy, they're hot.
And I have the plates.
Woo, boy, they're hot. Okay, I'm going to turn this off, okay? We're going to go back to 0, and I'm just unplug.
Nice.
Let that cool off, right?
See, anybody can be a cook.
Yeah, I can do it. Anybody can do it. But you're doing a good job here.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to let them cool just a slight bit,
Okay.
and then we'll
Good.
make a plate for each person, okay?
Oh, boy. 3 cheese.
3 cheese. 3 cheese grilled cheese. Okay, we're going to cut these up, serve them to our guests,
Yep.
and also I just want you to notice the grill marks on here from the pizza pan. It really looks like a honeycomb, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let me cut them, and we'll see what they look like inside. Kenzie,
Wow.
look.
Oh, look at all that
Oh,
steam.
all right. Let's put them on the plate so they're nice and gooey. That's exactly what we wanted. Those choices of 3 cheese were great. I'm glad you picked them. They really came out perfect on a pizza pan.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping. All right, 3 cheesy sandwiches. All right, so we better serve our guests while they're nice and hot. Let's bring in
Yeah.
our first one. Who's this coming on stage?
Hi, Mackenzie. Hi, Kathy. What did you guys make?
This is my mom.
This is Shelly. I'm glad you're here today with Mackenzie.
They look delicious. Which one's mine?
Pick one for your mama. Give her a napkin. She's going to need it.
That look good.
It smells delicious. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, Uncle Ricky,
Me.
bring him on.
I want the crunchy one.
Which is the most crunchy?
The burnt one.
This one.
Yeah, that one. Oh, thank you. Oh, boy, look.
Duck down a little bit so you're in there.
Wow.
Nice and cheesy. All right.
Too hot?
Is it too hot?
I can hear the crunch. Mmm. Oh, so good. Oh.
And while we're letting these cool off for your tongue a minute, remember we're going to put the link of Mackenzie's page where you can buy the Girl Scout items, right?
Yep.
Nuts and snacks
Lots
for
to
dessert.
pick from and lots of
My
magazines
dessert
and
today.
other things too, right?
Yeah.
So you can go there if you want to and have some of the same things, but here's your napkin.
Thank you.
You think that's ready to taste?
But, yeah, mine's good enough to taste.
Okay, just taste the corner so you don't get too much hot cheese.
It's buttery too.
Buttery.
Look at. Oh. Huh.
That's good.
A good blend of cheeses. Mom, what do you think over there?
Oh, hang on.
You got the crunch.
Best grilled cheese ever.
Oh, best one ever. All right.
That was really nice.
All right. Well, thanks for watching our video. Try making grilled cheese on your pizza pan or in your frying pan is fine, right? Thanks for helping. You did a good job.
Bye.
Bye.